Hello everyone. Today we have the first Q&A session and we're talking about this subject which you were interested in and asked me to show you how to do. To do the image transfer, first of all we need an image. In this case I chose this one. Some of you asked me which printer to use, if it's inkjet or laserjet. In this case I use a laserjet. The simple reason being that inkjet the paper absorbs the ink. So when you're doing the transfer, the image doesn't come clear. So here we have a laserjet image. In this case, we don't use scissors to cut the paper, we just go with our hands. And the reason being that an A4 paper has different levels of paper to it, obviously glued. So this way we can remove the edge of the paper. Now we need the glue, and in this case I use the Frenchic finishing coat as a glue. We put some glue here, a brush. Obviously you can do this on any surface of any furniture. In this case we're using this mood board to show you how to do. Now the paper is completely white. When we start putting the glue on, the image starts showing. And when the image shows, that means that the paper is fully glued and ready to start drying. So as you can see, the image is showing underneath the wet paper that we just did with the glue. If you have bubbles underneath, you can either use your finger to remove them. In this case I don't have bubbles, or else use a plastic scraper, which in this case we didn't need. Okay. When this dries, it comes like this. So the image is not showing anymore. How we get the image on our furniture? We need a bowl of water and a sponge. We just give some water here all over. And when the image starts showing up, then we go to the next stage. see here, the paper has different layers, as I've already explained before. So I'm removing the first layer of paper with my fingers. What I did, I left the image to dry properly overnight, and as you can see also, where there is the image, I had a lot of paper waste. That means I had a lot of extra paper, which we don't really need to do. And here, as you can see, we have the image coming out after the first layer of paper. So, fast forward to the conclusion, and this is the result. Last step is using some glue to seal. And then letting it dry and enjoy your result. Ta-ta!